Today I'm cutting a chicken again. First you're going to do is you're going to reach in here and you're going to grab the fat out. That's where we get the schmaltz, the fat for the schmaltz. And then get your knife into the neck. You hear that scraping sound? That is the wishbone. As you can see, it doesn't always like to come out. Here we go. Oh, this is another broken one. One of these days I'm going to get a full one out here. There we go. Wishbone is out. Next up, let's cut the legs off. So we cut the skin here and on the other side. Now, rotate the bird over. There's your oyster. Pull the leg back till it pops. Like that. Get in there. Leg is off. Repeat that process for the other side. There, your oyster you want. Alright, come on, you. There we go. Other leg is off. Wings, cut in through the back. And then right here. And that way, we got the wing off without taking too much of the breast. Do the same on the other side. And then we're going to hold this guy up, cut right along there, all the way through, and then we come down like that, follow through on the other side. Now for the grisly noises, and the back is removed. And the last part is to get that keel bone out. Like that. A small incision. I hope you can see this. I'm digging in there with my finger to remove that little bit there. And then we yank that bone out. There you go. Keel bone is removed. Breast is separated now, and that's our bird cut up. This one's going to be for shredded meat. We're going to make some Mexican food, so that'll come soon.